Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habbas. Today I'm going to be talking about who and whom. How to use who and whom when asking questions and what is the difference between them. Okay, before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. Let's get started. Okay, before we start, of course, you have to know that who and whom both have silent W in them. So it's who and whom, okay? So here, W letter is silent, okay? Very nice. Meaning, we don't pronounce the W letter, okay? Okay, now we use who to identify the subject of the question. Okay, what is the subject? The subject is the person who's doing the verb. Let's take this example. Ate all the food. Ate all the food. So first of all, I identify the verb, which is ate. So this question is asking about the person who's doing the eating. Okay, so here the answer is who. Who ate all the food? We are asking about the person who ate all the food. Okay, so again, who talks about the subject, doing the verb, a person doing the verb. Very nice. Okay, now let's talk about whom. We use whom to identify the object of the question. Okay, let's say I have a book and I want to give it to one of my friends, but I don't know which one. So I would ask, should I give the book to? Okay, first of all, I identify the verb. The verb here is give. Okay, who is doing the giving? It's me. So I am the subject here, and I am the person who's having the verb done to my friends, as I mentioned in the example. Okay, so my friends have been giving something and they are the object. So the answer here is whom. Whom should I give the book to? Okay, very nice. So again, whom talks about the object, okay, having the verb done to someone, to them, to my friends. Okay, very nice. Of course, many people use who when they should use whom, especially when speaking, and of course that not considered a big mistake. Okay, very nice. Here I have 4 questions and we are going to answer them using who or who. Okay, what do you think? Number 1, who or whom made that noise?
Who made that noise?
So the answer here is who, right?
Yes.
Why did you choose who?
Because you're asking about the subject doing the verb.
Very nice. So the answer here is who. Who made that noise? The answer may be
John.
John made that noise. I made that noise. We are asking about the person. Okay? Very nice, friends. Okay. Number 2. What do you think? From who or whom did you get my phone number?
From whom did you get my phone number?
So, why did you choose whom?
Because you're asking about the object having the verb done to them.
Where is the subject?
You.
And where is the verb?
Get.
Very nice. So the answer here is
Whom.
whom. From whom did you get my phone number? Okay? Very nice. Number 3. Who or whom, what do you think, won the prize?
Who won the prize?
So the answer is
Who.
who. Why?
Because you're asking me about the subject doing the verb.
Yes, about the subject, about the person who won the prize. So the answer may be John and
John won the prize.
Okay, very nice. Okay, friends? Number 4, what do you think? To who or to whom was the prize given?
To whom was the prize
So
given?
the answer is
Whom.
whom. Why?
Because you're asking me about the object having the verb done to
Yes,
them.
very nice. So someone, yes, gave the prize to somebody, okay? So here we are asking about the object. To whom was the prize given? We can say
It could be anyone.
John, yes, gave his brother the prize, maybe, okay?
Okay.
Very nice. So the answer is to whom. I hope this lesson was useful for everyone. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please come back for more lessons on this channel, English with Mr. Habas. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.